Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Ghost bot version and saving your custom settings so you can restore them if needed. Next, make a complete backup of the bot files and its database. Check the copy's size and checksum to ensure integrity. Once done, fetch the update using git pull or by downloading the correct release package for your runtime. Make sure the package matches your platform and dependency requirements before proceeding to installation. You now install any new dependencies the update requires, run npm install or pip install and watch for errors. Then apply the code changes. Merge carefully or replace files while preserving config and secret files so credentials remain intact. Once the code is in place, run database migrations and validate the schema and data. Check logs and test key flows to confirm the bot interacts with external services correctly before proceeding to final. You finish by restarting the bot using systemctl, pm2, or Docker Compose upd so the new code and dependencies load. Then run smoke tests, invoke basic commands, exercise endpoints, and confirm authentication flows to verify operational status. If something goes wrong, roll back to the backup immediately and inspect logs for error traces. Isolate components by running them independently to narrow the issue. Then reapply fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.